Hello everybody, this is how to make a bird keychain into a pig keychain. If you are watching this, you can watch this if you don't have galaxy slime and keychains. You can watch this if you do have galaxy slime and keychains. Galaxy slime is this. It's all different colored slimy stuff. And these are Angry Birds, if you don't know what they look like. These are pigs from Angry Birds, if you don't know what they look like. Okay, open your Galaxy Slime up. And just quick pause this and I'll open this up. You'll see when I open it up. Hey, I'm back. Now, let's test it out. Take and dump your Galaxy Slime on the table. Place any one of your figures in. It doesn't matter which one. I just choose the girl red bird. And now, put your Galaxy Slime in. You want to take a little bit off. So I'm going to quick pause this and take some off. Okay, back. Now let's put the Galaxy Slime in. Hold on. Now put the lid on. And now wait for 5-10 minutes. It should turn into a pig. Galaxy Slime now. Open it up. It's so funny that I have to keep pausing because I only have one hand. And now dump it out. There you go, minion pig. There you go, there's your last pig. Now how I did that is, when I started the video, I put this over here where if you couldn't see it, now you put this in here and you put the Galaxy Slime in. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm back. And I didn't wait for 5-10 minutes. I just took the lid off, took the Galaxy Slime out, put this in the pig's spot. Now take the pig out. And now put it in. Now put the Galaxy Slime in. And put the lid on. And then I took the lid off. And voila! That's how to make a video of making a bird a pig with Galaxy Slime. See you guys back when I get Play-Doh and we do it with Play-Doh. See you guys. Over and out. By the way, please subscribe, comment, Terry, and like. Bye. Over and out.